What's good, wonderful people? Welcome back to our channel. This is another farming vlog where I'll be taking you through our two farms, just showing you what we do, growing crops and raising cattle. So feel free to comment down below your views and your thoughts, and hopefully you'll be able to learn something, one or two things after this vlog. Enjoy and watch till the end. Time right now is 13:19 and I'm sitting next to my dad. Dad, say hi. That's my dad over there, and that's my little brother. It's just on the other side. So the plan is we're leaving now, we're going to the farm just to see what they're doing there. So yeah, come along and let's see what they're doing. We've just arrived at the main farm just to see what's going on here, to see the cows, see the cattle, and yeah, they were in the pastures, they were in the veld last night, and they just came up this morning because we're here to see them. So these are the cattle behind me. This is the cattle kraal, and I'm going to be taking you with me, and I'll be showing you all the cows that we have on this farm. Sepiro! Buddy! Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe ED. Nseguruka. Makudzi. Zimbabwe. So we start from here. We've got this cow. He's been here for the past. Dzangwa iwet. Dzangwa batino. Zilipo zese. Eh? Para tu disipo. Huh? These are all this year's heifers. The small one there. Calves are all from this year. You see? Plenty of them. It's been a very good year. Season is not over yet. Some are still giving birth. But yeah, everywhere you go, you can see plenty of cows. What happened to the tail? Yeah? So there's some foxes and all that. So I think this one, foxes, they ate. I don't know what you call them, foxes or whatever you call them. They ate the tail. This is a very good Brahman bull. He's already working. He's already breeding, this one. He's still small, but he's breeding already. Little cow. Come across here. These guys are chilling. So these are grass-fed, no supplements, no nothing. They're all grass-fed cows. And then you come across this side. So you can see it's been a very productive year. We've got plenty of cows that have come this year. And like I said, more are still coming. You look there, cows everywhere. So we are looking at around 80, 90, 100 maximum cows a year. So, which is very good. This is the bull. Hey, found it. This is Brahman. But very soon, by the end of this year, we're going to be starting the Boran. The nose looks swollen. Hey, don't be mad. And it's been forming here. I don't know if that is normal or not. I'm going to have to ask my dad. He's probably been fighting because you can see his forehead looks swollen. And then that's it. So these ones, these are different. If you can see, they are separated from the rest of the head. The reason why is because of the genetics. We've got a bull that is different from that bull. So they stay in different paddocks. So that bull there, I'll show you when I get in, is the one that is servicing these ones. So if you notice, I don't know, this is a steer, I don't know what it's doing here. But mostly it's heifers. And we've got a young bull as well here. You see how there's a young bull as well. And look at this heifer. Look at how pretty she is. So, and if you notice, most of them, they're white. And they're heifers. All these are just heifers that are here. Because we're trying to breed from that particular bull. So, these are heifers, young heifers. You see? Young heifers in here. That's another heifer here. Hey, wakey. Beautiful heifers. These are all heifers. But they had lambskin, you see, so they just got vaccinated recently. You see this one? You can see it's even got a soft wound over there. This one is fully pregnant. Anytime now, can give birth. So here's the bull that I wanted to show you. These are the genetics that we want. Look at him. Beautiful. He too had lambskin. He's recovering now. They just got vaccinated. And then we've got the resident goats. You don't really do goats on this farm, mainly the bulls, mainly the cows rather, and the cattle. So that's it. So these cows, they were dipped, when was it? On 3 days ago. So they just came from the veld just for us to see them, because I'm not here most of the time, just to see the progress and what's going on. But normally what we do when we spraying them, I've shown this on the previous video, they come from that crawl, they come through that big gate, they go over there, and then we drive them to the race, which is here. It's a very narrow place where you put loads of them in there so that there's no space for movement. And using knapsacks, we start spraying them. So we fill them all in here. This is the race. So you see, it's a very narrow corridor. So you can put maybe 50 in here, and they're like back to back. And when it's full, you close it with these logs over here. And then the guys will be walking on the side spraying the cows, because now they're not mobile now because they're all stuck in there. If you want to inject, vaccinate, whatever, you do it in this place. And then you open up there, they go. That's it. And the paddocks are just behind those trees, all over there. So that's it. This is the senior bull servicing all those ladies. Imagine. All those ladies, they're all his. And that guy over there, he's only servicing the small head, just to get the genetics from him. This is my young brother, he's a farm manager. He's managing this farm and the other farm. Kwani mnganda wana neronda oya do lambskin yacho samari abhuru ngarakanya sona mwana yo manje kutopora kako zvidare here zvichizvo rakaita nga rakazvimba pamhanza apa ndizvo kurwa nani bhozi mine yakatozvimba kayo ukarwa mandi bhekisi zviro zvapera basa riri kuita zvaro rakasimba but ndoranga rakafectwa ndarakadzeiseketsa. This one is pregnant as well. She's gonna be a first-time mom. This big one. I can tell you the cow that's gonna come out of this cow. It's gonna be super good. This one. Look at this one. It's a beautiful heifer. Hey, what's going on? And the cow is coming to investigate. So as you can tell, we've been fighting lambskin here. Mainly it's because last season, when the rainy season started, we missed vaccinating the cows. Hence, you know, they were affected by the lambskin. So now we're just, you know, it's more like the cure, and we should have prevented it, but then it wasn't prevented. So now we're fighting the curing. But this season, we're gonna try to make sure that this won't happen again. Look at this one. So now you can see those lumps on the skin. So they're not much better. This is another bull. Still very young, but he's not servicing anything. That's why he's in here. Otherwise, we don't want his genetics. He's too young, so he's not doing anything yet. So that guy is the one who's in charge. The moment he matures, he reaches sexual maturity, and yeah, then we'll take him out of here. So this is farming in Zimbabwe. That's what we're doing, cattle farming. And we are starting the Boran. By the end of this year, we'll be showing you the progress, just the Boran only, because now we are doing a bit of mixed, a little bit of everything, as you can see. Manager. He is the one who went to school for agronomy and beef, cattle, whatever. Look at them. See all these girls. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful hair. So like I told you, this is separate from the rest. Because it's a project. Look at this one. Super pretty. She's pregnant as well. That's the race I was telling you about. This is a Mashona cow, but right now the conditions are good for it to receive a bull. So in as much as it's Mashona and not very much of a good breed, if you give it a good bull, it should produce something. That's why I said before, we are just doing mixed right now. We are not really bothered. As long as it's a cow, that's it. And you know, so it's for beef. She's pregnant anyway at the moment, or whatever baby she's gonna give us, it's gonna be a very good one because it's mixed with the Brahman. And if it's a If it's a heifer, we'll just keep it and keep breeding it. If it's a steer, we'll just fatten it when the time comes, and then it will go to the market. That's just how it is. So this is the race. So now this is what I was saying. So we put them all in this race, and if I want to vaccinate or give it antibiotics, you see, it's very easy for me to do that because it's not moving anyway. So I'll just get my injection and here you go. That's how easy it will become. These are last year's calves. Last year, I don't know. I have to find out. So that's that. Matubai. This chair, I think, is a cow called chair. Matubai. Matubai. Ton, see you. 20%. Ashokes. In the long-acting antibiotic. Oh, it's an antibiotic. Yeah. I want to murir buda panapa. Murir buda panapa. We've just arrived at the farm. We've got lots of corn as far as the eye can stretch. You can't really see over there because it's overgrown. And we've got some projects going over there. We'll be showing you shortly. That's my dad over there. I've got the chickens. Some of them, they're foraging out there. We've got cattle kraal over there. We've got some cattle that stays here, but we don't have a big herd here because obviously this is not much big land. So we've got a herd of about 50 or 60 or so. This is all maize, as you can see, going all the way that side. And these are the farmhouses where the guys that are taking care of this place lives. And over here we've got the resident dog. Saka chitira chiri kubuda kuzo. Ama. We the farmers just harvested some corn. This is the fresh one. So Taco took us to where we can find the fresh one. So we've got like my one, Ronnie's got his, and Taco's got his. So we're gonna boil this and we'll show you the outcome. Right, we're gonna walk all the way to the farmhouse, somewhere behind me over there. So we had tomatoes planted over here last season, this whole place. So we just harvested those tomatoes. We've got the borehole over there. That's what's supplying the water. And we're planning on putting a fish pond behind that tree there, and there. And over there we put some potatoes that are growing there. This is the cabbage nursery. This is cabbage seeds.
Majesty.
It's called what?
Majesty.
Majesty. And what's this one? Here. What's here? Fish. The rape. And what's that there? Over there.
Right.
This is sugar beans.
This is too much.
We're just on the other side now. The homestead is up there. We're in one of the paddocks where we put some cattle. And we've got some beehives over here. This is where I'm looking at fully settling. You know, when I return back to Zimbabwe, I'm looking at leaving. Our farm goes as far as that side, where there's like a little road over there. Yeah. There's a beehive. There's one there, and there's two over here. This one is good bees. Here, you can see the bees. It's a bit cold now. But yeah, the bees are in there. We're just walking in the farm. I'm going to show my dad where I'm going to build my house. Look at the vastness of this place. So our farm goes all the way down to the bridge where we crossed when we were coming that time. There's a riverbed in the farm. The plan is to block this little riverbed, put like a dam wall, and then when all this water comes, it's not gonna go anywhere. So it's to start building, and automatically this will be part of the dam. Dog is cooling down because we've been walking for quite a while. You see, 1.78 kilometers we've been walking. So this is where the farm ends, in this river. So we're right at the edge, and then it goes all the way to the main road, and then it goes up that side. So this is the boundary. That's my dad. There's a crocodile that lives. I don't know if it's one or it's many, but it lives. It's been eating some of our guts, but we need to come up with a plan. Sagaro in the babar. Babi.
What's on guys? Papa ni tiwe. Antu gara papa kira. Hey, you bless you. I can't get
This just came back from the pastures.
Oh,
Pindega bamnin. Pindega mundakona buri. Iro burani.
Zairo.
Eh. This is my bamnin. He's taking care of the livestock here. So we've got bees, and we put some that are there and in there. So Zora Zamir. Zamir.
Really, man.
Yeah, man, take a nap.